Ok, no sé, la cuestión era el inglés, sí. Okay. Hi, my name is Amy Owen. We are here in the FNF Argentinian office. We are here with Sabrina Faraone. She's a lawyer and master in international human rights law. She had the opportunity to travel to Strasbourg in June of this year to participate in the René Cassin summer school. Thanks for coming to speak with us. Well, the first question is, how important is it still continue studying in the field of human rights to you?
Okay, thank you, Amy. Human rights is a work in progress all the time. It's like a never-ending story because every time we improve, there are new challenges and new situations that need to be addressed. The René Cassin experience was great. This was the 53rd edition, so it's been going on for a very long time. Experts, very renowned professors from all over the world have been there teaching, discussing interesting topics. Every year the topics change. This year we had Ukraine, the conflict in different situations that are challenging our lives in these days.
Well, how did the fellowship reinforce your commitment to promote liberal values and human rights?
It was I said in my article, it was a transformative experience. And this is the key definition for me, because at the beginning I thought it was about studying theory in human rights. But after sharing about a month with people from different parts of the world, different environments, different cultures, has been really very transformative. An experience that really changed me, because it was a good time to understand different perspectives. When we talk about liberal values, I think the key words that could define the liberal values are, for example, rule of law, democracy, pluralism, tolerance. And these are some things that I feel are being challenged in these days. There are some ideas that are very strongly installed in our society, and this was a good place and a good environment to discuss all these kind of topics.
And how do you think this experience, this topic, can contribute to addressing human rights in the region, in Latin America, for example?
Well, for example, we had a very, very interesting chapter about Module 3 was about international criminal law. And in Latin America right now, we have a very important thing going on in Venezuela with Maduro. He's been investigated at the criminal court. There is still not an official process open, but this is the place to prosecute, to investigate these kind of situations that happened in our region. I think this is a very, very important topic we have to keep talking about, because what happened in Venezuela with the democracy in that country is a very, very serious situation that could be challenged as a crime. And this is something that should be prosecuted at the International Criminal Court, for example.
And during the program, you had the opportunity to meet other colleagues from various countries. You in the article mentions many of them. What impact did this interaction have in your perspective of human rights?
Well, that's an interesting question, because I had the opportunity and the chance to interact with different people because of my former jobs or my experience. I had the chance to interact with people from all over the world. But living together as a community, because it was practically like that, it was like a family created amongst us. I had the chance to understand that all of us share the same values, because all of us were there for human rights. But in every part of the world, the cosmovision is different. So everyone can add up to the situation and can contribute with their own vision of the reality, which is something that it's a process that is a permanent enrichment of the situation. And it was great. And now I can say I gained very interesting friends from all over. I'm still in touch with them. So yes, and all of us share our situations, the challenges we face in the different parts of the world we are in. And this is something really, really good, really interesting.
And finally, the last question, what message would you like to share with other young people that like to travel and do this summer school?
I should say do it. If you have the chance, do it. Because it's a transformative experience, as I mentioned. And human rights is a topic we can never forget. We should always have that in mind, work for it, defend it. Democracy, which is the base of our lives, political lives, civil lives, is about human rights. So I would recommend everyone that have the chance to do it. And the René Cassin Foundation has a very extensive, very profound program with very prestigious professors and teachers, and it's really, really a great experience.
Thank you for coming to speak with us. And now I like to travel.
So, of course, you should do it.
Thank you. No,
Thank you very much.